Hey everyone, this is Mare from the Benniebarrefitness Pilates studio, and today we're going to be doing a brief Springboard Pilates lesson. So on my channel here, you can find Springboard workout vlogs or example full-length classes. If you'd like to join me for weekly full-length Pilates Springboard classes, check out my information in the write-up below for my Patreon account. This is going to be a short lesson. Today, we're going to be working with our feet in straps facing the springboard. We're going to be working our abdominals, and we're also going to be doing some hip exercises, sitting, leaning back, facing the springboard, making everything feel a little bit backwards today. We're going to be using the foot straps if your straps differ for hands and feet on your springboard, and we'll have our springs at a level 6. Go ahead and get set up, and I'll meet you in the studio. All right, from here we're going to work through the core just a little bit. So we're going to place those foot straps on. Now, depending on your strap, this may or may not work. I place mine all the way beyond my heel, so it's at my ankle. And now I'm going to come to the end of my mat where I've got a lot of resistance here. I'm going to lift my legs up into tabletop, and from here I'm going to draw my knees in towards my body. Hold that neutral spine. From here, I'm going to let my legs tilt out to the side. In fact, I'm going to just hold right here and take my knees from side to side first. Like I'm doing the can-can. When I come back and forth, twist, twist, twist. Knees coming off to the side. Now hold the knees off to the left side, so they're tilted at this angle off to the left. And from here, we're going to pull into the body. Oh yeah. Tilt the knees over to the right. I'm going to take 10 reverse crunches right here. Good, bringing the knees back to the center. Hands come behind the head. And right here, we're gonna lift the chest forward. Elbows bending in and coming towards the knees. So we pull the knees and the chest up at the same time. Right here, a little play on the crisscross. We're going to pull the knees in and we're going to twist the body to the side, taking the arm to the outside. So I peel up one shoulder blade and reach. And then I alternate each time. And every time, pull those feet in towards the body. Good. All right, from here, we're going to use momentum to roll our body forward. So we're going to pull the knees in and roll ourselves forward. Good, and from here, we're going to circle the arms back, turning them out and away. Lift your left leg, reach out to the side. For 2, 3, like a single leg opening. 4, through the chest. One more. Now, both legs right here. Open and close. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Opening up through those hips. Let's do a little something fun. We're going to draw the knees in, reach out, open out, draw in from here, out, in, draw in, open, in, reach, and close. Pull in, reach, out. Working on mobility here and strength in the movement. Out, in, whew. Good. Let's let those feet sit out a little extended and give ourselves a little stretch. Opening up here. So I'm going to scoot closer to my board right here. Let the springs hold onto my feet. And I'm just going to scoot in towards the board and rock my pelvis forward. Just stretch right here.
Thank you so much for joining me today for this brief little springboard lesson. Again, if you'd like to join me in my online studio for Springboard or Mat Pilates or Barre or everything, check out the Bennie Pilates Studio on Patreon. I have all the links that you need for that in my write-up below. And of course, check out my YouTube channel. If you love the Pilates Springboard, this is one that you're going to want to consider subscribing to. You can find barre workouts, Mat Pilates, Pilates Springboard, and more. So you can find more Pilates Springboard lessons like this, where I'm walking you through something live. And you can also find workout vlogs and demonstrations where I show you exercises, and you can watch what a typical workout on the Springboard looks like for me. Thank you for being here and for your support, and I will see you guys next time in the studio.